Let's unbox the gifts I got from a job with Dior Beauty. Firstly, I got this Dior Forever foundation. It is a 24-hour no transfer blurring natural matte foundation. It contains hyaluronic, niacinamide and peptide, and it's my exact shade. I also got this lip glow oil. At this point, this is the best hydrating lip oil I've ever used in my life. Then I got this sweet looking chocolate. Lastly, I got this sweet looking cookie. I know you want some, but you begged too much. Bye guys, thanks for watching.